Have you ever read a newspaper? How are the different news arranged in the page? Okay, the text has been allocated in columns. We are going to try this effect in Word. We will spread through the sheet of paper several poems of famous British poets. At the same time, we will allocate poems into different columns style. Before dealing with columns, we have to introduce a powerful tool which allows us to organize each part of the sheet we are typing. This tool is called Jump. We will set a jump each time we are going to change the features of the text. For example, we will set a continuous jump before we are changing from writing in 2 columns to writing in 3, or from writing normally to writing in columns. However, the explanation is not comprehensive without the tool which is in the paragraph group of commands in its upper right corner. Show all. This tool will help us to see all the characters we have typed, even those which are not printable, like returns, spaces, and jumps. So let's focus on the exercise. 3 different poems organized in different columns. First is in 2 columns. Second is in only 1. Third is in 3 columns. Just before we start with the first poem, we have to set a continuous jump. Click on Page Layout. Click on Jump tab to spread the jump form. Select Continuous Jump from Sections Jump. Check that you've done it well, clicking on Show All. Then you only have to set the page into 2 columns, clicking in Columns tab from Page Layout. Now check that you have set the text in columns, having a look at the rule that is over the text. You will be able to see the rule divided into portions. Next thing to do is write in the poem. When you get the final point in the first column, you have to use again the jump form. However, you have to select Column Jump from Page Jump section. That way, you will move the pointer to the right column for you to keep on writing the poem. Once you've finished, be careful. You have to write a new poem below, which is only in 1 column. So think twice. Okay, very clever. You will have to introduce a new continuous jump, and after that you will have to set the page to just 1 column. Keep going with the whole exercise, and remember, set a proper jump before you have to change features. Set a column jump when you want to move the pointer to next column. Click on Show All when you want to check if your jumps are all correct.